Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut mobile editing app. In this video, I will show you on how to delete unused project file in order to free up more storage space on your CapCut app. So for that, go ahead and open up your CapCut app. So having opened up your CapCut app, all unused project file is going to be found right here. So what you need to do right here is to go ahead and click on here, expand, and you are here. Next thing you want to do is to select a particular project file that you don't want in your CapCut media library. For that, go ahead and click on these three dots to delete anyone. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on delete right here. And go ahead and click on delete. So you can select as many as possible, delete, just like so. Click on this one again, delete, just like so. You can select as many as possible project file that you are no longer use. Like for instance, take a look at this one right here, over 390 something megabyte. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here and go ahead and click on delete, just like so. Click on this one again, delete, just like so. Click on this, delete, just like so. It's that simple. You can go on and delete as many as possible. You can see now I have a very clean workflow right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this on how to use CapCut mobile editing app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.